Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. Guys, as you can see, it's winter again in beautiful Grande Prairie, Alberta. It's still February. It's now, what day is it? It's now the 25th of February. So you guys are seeing this video probably the same day it was videoed. And whilst we got a break from winter, it's now starting to snow again and the temperature is starting to fall again. So that's just one of the things that you're gonna have to deal with, the hot and cold of the weather, especially in the winter time, right? Anyways, I'm now on my way to Superstore. I'm just gonna grab a couple stuff, and I've decided that it's actually a good morning to take you guys with me. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning, starting to get bright out. So come along guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. All right, see you guys on. Guys, I want you to do me a favor. Please take a second and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that like button and drop a comment. When you do these things, guys, it really helps out our channel. It really helps us grow. That can allow us to buy more Pediasure for our Malika Jade. All of these things are free. It literally only take a second, guys. I'd really appreciate it, guys, if you just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment and share some videos, guys. I appreciate it. Alright guys, if anybody who's watching this video know much about protein powders, just comment and let me know. We're trying to add protein powder to Malika's Pediasure, so you know, build her up a little bit more and hopefully open up her appetite. We got some from the health food store the other day, but it has a very bad taste, and she is all about texture. so she's not really drinking that one. So I'm gonna try another one. I just did a quick Google research and it said that as long as I reduce the portion on this, she should be fine. But do you guys know anything about protein powder for kids? Let me know what's the recommended dose, or what's the best way we can use it. Let me know, guys. Comment it right down below. Can never have too much ginger. Grab some ginger, guys. Right in. Those are soft. As a team. Yeah guys, so I end up taking up a lot more than I had planned for. But time to go to the cashier and see what's the damage. Guys, if you haven't already take a second to hit the like button, right? Guys, the weather has definitely changed in like 2 seconds. It's now so windy, so snowy, so cold, everything in one. Thank you guys for coming along on that shopping expedition. But before I leave, I just want to say thank you to all the persons who have been subscribing to our channel, especially those from Grande Prairie. Welcome to the Andersons family. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for the love. I really appreciate each and every one of our subscribers. If you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, it literally only takes a second. Hit that like button, literally only take a second, and drop a comment, right? All of these things are really easy to do. It's free and it only takes a second. And you know what? It helps out the channel in so many ways. So please support us by hitting those buttons. And you know, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now driving on my way home. I have a meeting in like 10 minutes, but I can't speed because the road is so icy. So see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch. Guess I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said.